Oh, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are fine, amazing, popping and well. So you guys, actually I was moving out, but I just got a message from one of you guys asking me, Tanya, how can I double my income as Mulangida Jewelry Store? And it actually made me realize that I've not talked about how to actually double our incomes as beauty entrepreneurs or people who are in small scale businesses. And of course, she communicated to me through my WhatsApp business number. Hopefully, I'm going to be leaving it on screen in case you want to ask me anything business related. Anything business related. Don't call on that number, but just send a message business related. But before that, if you don't know anything related to Mulangira Jewelry Store and you have been a long honey of mine actually watching my videos, most of the time I talk about Mulangira Jewelry Store. So Mulangira Jewelry Store is one of the oldest beauty shops within Uganda, here in Kampala, Uganda, and it is famously known for its affordable, high-quality products and efficient customer care. It is actually owned by a gentleman who is very, very absolutely kind, Mr. Mulangira. He is actually known for his simplicity and good heart and caring and nurturing way how he handles his customers. And I believe that it is one of the reasons why even his business has actually, survived for all over these years and has been able to have a lot of different branches within different districts within Uganda and own, of course, a lot of, property. But in today's vlog, I'm going to be sharing 5 different tips on how to actually double your income in the shortest time possible, make a lot of profits and have a sustainable, good customer base, which actually you can rely on. From actually the research I've made for over now, I believe more than 3 years, I've been actually buying from Mulangira Jewelry Store. Again, if this is the first time you're watching my face over here, hi there, I'm tanyanishailoc. I'm a Ugandan beauty and lifestyle content creator. Feel free to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share out with friends and family. And let us just dive into the first point right now. Throughout my research, of really understanding how Mulangira Jewelry Store has been operating recently, from his main branch in Kampala, Uganda, complex building, the first thing I want to touch about is that diversification. If you want to double your income, guys, let's be serious. When you enter into Mulangira Jewelry Store, the first thing you are going to be able to realize that Mulangira has actually diversified products and goodies within his store, even on top of that services, because he has makeup artists also, if you have ever visited that particular branch in Kampala, who actually also do makeup for people who actually come in to buy products. So the first thing, if you want to double your income, my darling, make sure that you diversify products you sell in your beauty shop. Bring in the hair extensions, bring in the hair products, bring in the the combs, bring in the blow dryers, bring in things that are related, coordinated through the same main product. For example, if it is body care, bring in cleansers, bring in body wash, bring in sponges, bring in all those amazing products, because they fall into the same category. And if a person comes to buy one product, they are going to end up buying another product. And this is the same method that Mulangira Jewelry Store actually uses, because when you enter into the section for beauty, things that are coordinated, you are going to find them all of them there. So when you have come to pick up a beauty blender, you are going to end up buying also foundation. When you have come up to buy jewelry necklace, when you go to the jewelry section, you are going to end up also buying necklaces, which is also another amazing thing. Guys, this brings me to the second point. This is all about employees. So if you have actually ever shopped at Mulangira Jewelry Store, you will actually be with me in harmony to say that Mulangira has actually, mastered this thing of employees. I believe that currently from the branch within Kampala, he has over, I believe, 10 employees. So what am I trying to reflect over here? As business entrepreneurs, as beauty shop entrepreneurs, we have to learn to ask for help where possible. If you even though you have not a very big beauty shop, but most of the time you are coordinating a lot of things at the same time, I'd request that if possible, go get an employee, get someone to help you, and that someone, make sure that you pay them, you agree on the amount of money you are going to be paying them, so that your beauty shop is always open, so that customers customers always know that the place is open and they are going to be able to come in and get products they need. Even though you don't find Mulangira, the main boss or main employer within the area, within his shop, most of the time you are going to, not most of the time, but all the time you are going to be finding their employees who are very, very settled, who are, who have undergone, I believe, some training to know how to handle customers, to know how to use the products. And I believe that when we reflect the same energy as we see, or as the same energy as I see from Mulangira Jewelry Store, we bring in an employee, even though it is one, train him on how to sell these different products, train him or train her on how to handle customers, train him or her on how to actually be able to run the business. Even though you are not around, your business is going to stay open. Hence, you're going to be making profits, and hence your customers will always come back. The third point that actually I want to stress out very, very, very absolutely much. So let us start from here. Tanyanishailoc, me as a person, I cannot buy in a particular place for more than once when customer handling and customer service is poor. I want to say this because I've realized over time that Mulangira Jewelry Store, you will witness with me if you have ever bought that from that particular place, that they have one of the top-notch customer care and customer handling. And I believe that it is one of the energies that actually keep bringing back a lot of customers over and over again. This point actually coordinates very well with the prayer or previous point. Customer handling has to be on notch. We have to actually raise the way how we handle our customers. We have to learn to look at our customers not from a single purchase, but from the whole future purchase. Don't look at your customer from the one thing they have bought, an eye pencil for 2K, and you underestimate them. Look at them as a source of profits for the future products and future things they are going to be buying. And I believe that this is also another thing that Mulangira has actually employed within his business. He has actually taught his employees how to handle people, how to handle customers. When you reach there is somewhere you sit. They are greeting you. They are telling you, what product can we give you? Which product are you looking out for? How are you going to be able to use this product? They tell you in simplicity how you are going to be able to use the product in a very, very calm voice, without backing at you, without being rude at you, which I believe that it is one of the strongest customer attracting factors when it comes to entrepreneurship and businesses. So we can actually reflect the same thing. Let us learn how to handle our customers with care, and let us start looking at our customers from the broader view perspective of buying a lot of things in the future, and stop judging them from the one thing they have actually bought for only that particular day or for only that particular moment. That will keep attracting them to come back to buy more products, and hence we are going to be able to double our income, not only from single purchase, but from 2, 3 and above. This brings me to the fourth point that I want to talk about. This is all about accountability and record keeping. So I'll take you back. At Mulangira Jewelry Store, I've realized that no product moves out of the store without it being entered into the computer system. That is record keeping and accountability. If you are very long hand of mine, you know that I take accountability and record keeping very, 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 very important, because I know how much importance actually it carries to a particular business. We can reflect the same energy. Even without computers, we can have notebooks, we can have black books. Each product that you sell out, record it in your book. Each product that you have bought in bulk, record it in your book. It is going to be absolutely important and of very, very strong importance, especially when you are going out to buy in bulk, especially when you are looking out for which particular products to bring in, which are new, to determine your market, to determine the demand, to determine the supply. Hence, you are going to be able to bring in products that your customers want and your customers demand for, hence making high profits. Last and the fifth point, this is all about putting the customer's opinion and view into consideration. The best example is Mulangira. himself, So when you enter into Mulangira jewelry store and you don't know what you're going to be buying, or even if you know what you are going to be buying, but you have mixed ideas about it, most of the time those I call them sweet ladies, sweet sisters, they sit you down. Yes, they sit you down. They explain to you, how this particular product works and how the side effects and all that, Then on top of that, if you also have your own view of the particular product, you tell them the other time I took this particular product, but it did not give me the results. You explain to them in simplicity how you found that product, And I've realized over time that most of the time when we give them, when we give the Mulangira jewelry store our opinions as customers, most of the time we find that we get better products and we get better services. Even Mulangira himself, have ever spoke to him about a particular product, then he actually gave me a second option, which actually I found out that it was actually better than the other product. So I would request that we can also add that into our, beauty shops. Let us learn to appreciate the view or the opinions of our customers, because most of the time they will help us improve on the, the products we are going to be selling. It will also help us to improve on the, what we are bringing on market and at the rate at which our customers are buying all those particular products. A bonus tip, especially when it comes to Mulangira jewelry store, I've realized over the longest time, if I started to shopping at Mulangira jewelry store, I believe back then in 2016, 15, 16, somewhere there, but I've realized that Mulangira always has bonuses and sales offers and things related to that. And I've realized that most of the time, even when I'm not in the moods of traveling to Mulangira jewelry store actually to buy those products, I'm going to end up, those small things taking me back to buy, So we can also reflect the same energy. He usually has, Black Fridays, Orange Fridays. Like recently there was an Orange Friday, 1st of April and 2nd of April. And the turn-up was amazing. People came in, bought products at a sale. He was there, very, very kind. He talks with his, customers on, customer level, which I always appreciate, because I realize that whenever we have our opinions, we have to share with him on such days, we end up getting his side of the story and also him getting our side of the story. Hence, it is win-win. So we can also use that same energy and information and knowledge in our own businesses. Let us try our best so that at least some days, we tell our customers, here is the bonus. When you are going to buy this, I'm going to be giving you a sales off from another product. And you are going to see that the customer has a smile on their face, because they realize that you value their time coming to your beauty shop. You value their energy and money because they have bought from you and all that other amazing things. Thank you very much, you guys, for watching today's vlog. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any other, multi-millionaire idea on how to double our income as beauty shop entrepreneurs here in Kampala, Uganda. I would love to hear it in the comment section below. Don't hesitate to like the video, comment, share out with friends and family. It helps a lot to push this video so that it reaches a little bit more population and more people here on the platform. Let me meet you in my next one. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now.